I think the race red is done. Let's go. There it is, there it is. Yes, yes, race red, race red. Covert edition glory. Let's get it on. So clean. Y'all know that race red is all real deal, and Brady Rambo and the wifey. We love race red, and we know a lot of you great customers out there love race red too. That's why we keep dropping Redline Covert editions. Finally, another 2021 Akins Ford F-150 XLT Redline Covert edition. Leveled on 34s in all the glory, looking so clean with paint match everywhere. So let's start on the side. We got the F-150 XLT done up nicely in race red, satin black, satin on our teardrop also, because we wanted to run and correlate with our fuel seeds wheel in 20x9 plus 20 on 295, 65, 20. And we're on trail grappers, y'all. You know, they told us real deal, quit running ridge grappers. So I said, okay, we'll run a trail. I love a trail grappler. True mud terrain tire. We got the Fox 2.0 coilover level kit up front with Fox 2.0 shocks in the back, rear wheel well liners. We got a exhaust tip to match, but this matte black, satin black finish on the wheel flows so nicely with all of our components. Out back, we've got F-150 letters in matte black, as well as your satin black emblem. This rear looks incredible to me. I'm on the fence about the F-150 letters. It's a give or take. Let me know what you think about that, but definitely doing that custom emblem is a game changer overall. Truck looks amazing to me with the stance. The plus 20 offset enabled us to run this aggressive of a tire. The trail grapper does have a more aggressive sidewall, so we wanted to be sure to do the correct offset on this one. The zero will just be sticking out too much. This is in that 2-inch range, and to me, I think this is money setup, y'all. Let me know what you think about the race red. We know it's not for everyone, but it's for that special someone. You see this truck and you're like, oh yeah, this is it. So here's one of my favorite shots, a good 2-inch leveled on 34 action right here at Akins and Wild Willie's. Up front, our grill, we did race red. It's that pesky, who knows why, gray color. This doesn't match. We did all 3 bars red. So basically top bar, bottom bar, and this middle bar equate to your front grille. Did the emblem to match, but look at this stunning front end. Caleb actually did a F-150 Lariat for us. It was like our very first one that we got in this, and it tore me up. And so we just wanted to do a similar front end and color combo on this one. So I'll tell you what, y'all. I'll tell you what. I mean, like Brady Rambo, when he sees this, my son, he's gonna be like, Dad, that's the one. That is the one. And so he's 14, about to be 15. So he's definitely highly interested in vehicles right now. On the inside, y'all, we got red and a suede black. So this is kind of like that Alcantara feel. It's kind of like on the Raptor vehicles, and this really is comfortable. It feels very secure when you're riding on an Alcantara or suede insert there. You got black popping to match also, but definitely a bold interior. May not be for everyone, but again, just a Redline Covert. We got to kind of step out there a little bit and do some variations that are just truly different. Big 12-inch touchscreen, great amenities with this one here. We got adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, just an amazing overall build. Let me know what you think. Roll and lock bed cover, Akins liner, guarantee for life, WeatherTech floor mats, the Redline Covert. Yes, y'all, let's go. Yes. As far as price point, here is our window sticker. We're stock number MKE 79273. Pause here to see the options on the factory window sticker, as well as our Redline Covert Edition options. We're at $76,090 before discount. Again, running over level kit, wheels, tires, bed liner, speedometer calibrator, bed cover, floor liners, rear wheel liners, Redline paint package. It's all there. It's a diamond. Got to come see us at Akins Ford, Winder, Georgia, and I am your boy, Real Deal Neal, for everything auto. So hit that subscribe button, because I am relentless of bringing you guys and gals beautiful custom vehicles on the daily. So it's not about, my mindset is not about advertising. People think I advertise. It's not about advertising. This is about taking care of bringing value to each one of you all. So I just love showcasing all this to you all, because all my life I wanted someone to do this with all things that are cool. So I'm just in the automotive segment, and I love I have many passions. So stay tuned to this channel for other things that I personally enjoy too. But again, thanks so much for watching, y'all. I gotta go get this thing in the showroom. Peace out.